So today I read a post on social media that said something like, I'm a DJ, but I need some equipment. Can somebody help me? It got me thinking about when I first started DJing. I was 13 years old and I was DJing professionally, and I say that because I was getting paid when I did DJ. It was at a skating rink. When I was, I think, a junior in high school, I started doing mobile events. And then when I was a senior, I started doing clubs. And I started my own DJ company where I would go out and do my own weddings when I was 23 years old. I didn't own any equipment until I started my own DJ company. Yet, I had been a DJ professionally for 10 years. Think about that for a minute. I became a DJ because I wanted to be a DJ. I didn't become a DJ because I was in love with gear. Now, it's okay if you like equipment. It's okay if you have some equipment. But is it really necessary? If you really have passion for something, especially in today's world right now, we're talking about April 2020, you've got to be resourceful. If you want something bad enough, you have to make it happen with what you have in front of you. For instance, if you have a laptop computer, you can DJ with that. Now, you can't really scratch the way you want to, but you can still do it. I mean, think about what you have. When you think back to people like Herc and Grandmaster Flash back in South Bronx in the 1970s, they were just using whatever they had. They were tapping into power lines to play in the park, like live power lines to play. When Grandmaster Flash started this, there weren't turntables and mixing boards that did what he wanted to do. He had to make it work with whatever he happened to have in front of him. And, being resourceful right now is survival mode for a lot of us. A lot of us can't go to work, we can't leave the house, we kind of have to work with whatever we have in our homes. And I'm no stranger to this. Let me just show you something. I saved this. This is, I don't know, like a $50 Nikon camera I bought at Walmart in 2007 or 2006 maybe. It takes AA batteries, there's a little SD card in here. I did my entire first year of YouTube videos with this camera, believe it or not. Oh yeah, we're shooting on a nice Sony HD right now with a shotgun mic, and I've got a whole bunch of subscribers, and I get a lot of comments on my videos. They get shared quite a bit. I'm not the biggest DJ YouTuber out there, but I've been around for a long time, and it all started here. For the first year, I got my sponsorship with this little camera to sponsor the channel. I used to have to put AA batteries in this thing, and I had to make every take count, because if I didn't, the batteries would run dry. And at the time, I lived like 4.5 miles from the nearest gas station. If I was shooting at night and I ran out of batteries, I'd have to go out and get new batteries. So I tried to make every take count, just tried to make it work best I could on this, I don't know, $50 Nikon camera, which really wasn't even made for video, but it did it. It was made for taking still pictures. This is really what you want to do. Don't let gear be the thing to stop you from being a DJ. But if all you care about is gear, yeah, look for the gear. If you're someone who just wants that, yeah, absolutely get it. But if you can't get it or don't have it, you can still make things happen if you're just resourceful. That's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Practice and enjoy.